we're gonna have so much fun today. We're gonna make paper airplane eagles, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm gonna start with the white copy paper. You can also make the eagles out of the lined paper too. Okay, so what you do first is you fold in half the long portion of your paper, like this. And you make a crease right in the middle. So you line up the two ends like that. Can you see that? You gotta make the crease nice and tight. And then, see that crease? You fold one of the ends over like that. Crease it so it looks like a triangle and there's a point there. Same thing with the other side, like this. Right up against that crease. Try to match it up pretty tight, like that. Can you see that crease? Sort of looks like a little house. Then you're gonna take it and then you're gonna fold it like this. So the flaps are out, like this. See that crease? I'm just gonna come along like that, make it a little bit tighter. And then, see how that looks? Make it nice and pointed. Now notice that your little house has flaps. It looks like a house flaps. So you want to fold it so the flaps are sticking out in half like this. And you want to take it and you want to fold it so that it looks like this. See, like this. So that lines up like that, nice and tight. You want to flip it over and do the same on the other side. Just take it like this, fold it so that it's like a point here. Pull it over on the other side so it lines up like that. Okay, and then you take it, the flaps are still open like that, the wings, and then you fold it again over like this. So it's super tight like this. The wings. This is the beak, so you want it to be pretty tight. Then you flip it over, and then you do the same on the other side like this. This is the front part of the eagle. And then, this is the bottom of the eagle, and this is where you put your hands to fly it like this. Now we're gonna make our paper airplane into a soaring eagle. I'm gonna show you how. Now when you look at it, you can see that the beak's right here, and then the eyes, and then these are the wings. So it's what you want to do, maybe take a black. I do the eyes first. Right here. Beaks are yellow, like this. And then the top part of their heads have white feathers. So this is the white feathers here. And this is the tail wings and the main wings here. So I'm just gonna help it out like this. So you can take your black crayon or marker and make the outline. Now this is the main wings, the main feather. wings here, the tail wings. And then I'm gonna make some little feathers down here. And then I think eagles are kind of brown and black. So maybe you can color some brown feathers in there, however you'd like. Make it look like an eagle. You can use crayons, markers, you can even use some watercolors. But you want to just use brown, black, and the white part of the head. White feathers. There we go. And we're going to try. Does that look like an eagle? See how he can soar. I can't wait to see the eagles that you made. Why don't you take them outside and watch and see how they soar? Can you fly my eagle?
Sure.
Make them soar.
Okay, eagles, are you ready to soar?
Woo! Wow!